All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, Emily is in the passenger seat. You might be able to tell by the reflection. I just got done washing the car, as you can tell. We did get invited to a car show that's an invite only. So that's where we're gonna be heading. I am running a little late. It is my fault. I should have washed the car either yesterday or early this morning. The car show starts at 11 and it is currently 11:03 right now. So let's get in the car and get heading to the place because it's a ways away.
Is it recording?
Yep. It is recording now.
What are you going to talk about?
Anything? What, do you feel awkward?
Yeah.
Why?
I feel like I'm being watched.
Yep, you are.
Should I do the intro for your video?
I already did.
I didn't hear you do it.
I was outside the car and I did it.
Aw.
Yeah. Thanks for the coffee. Okay, so you think you know which one's a Camaro. Which one is it?
One of these two.
Okay, so which one?
I'm leaning towards the white one.
Yeah, that's
Yeah?
right. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
That's good.
Also, I know that
Don't touch them.
I won't
Don't touch it.
I know that's carbon fiber.
Yeah, it is.
Mhm.
This wing is huge.
Does that mean that's a Corvette then?
This is a Corvette,
That's
yeah.
a Corvette, that's a Camaro.
Yeah, it's good.
Is this one also a Camaro then?
Yeah. This one's nice though. This one's a ZL1.
Really? The white one looks good.
No. This one has supercharger on it.
You think you cleaned under the hood before you got here?
Maybe. Kind of looks like it. Ish. Just showing off the supercharger.
What part is the supercharger?
The one that says supercharged on it.
Oh, okay.
That thing.
Cool.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to show your viewers for sure?
Well, they already.
Think
Yeah.
they saw it?
Oh yeah. Let's see, the Hellcat's sweet.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, I like this color. Look at this. It's like a fade.
A fade?
Yeah. Because it gets purple in certain light and green in other light. You see that?
What?
It gets purple and green.
It does, yeah.
And look what he's got on his gas.
I don't know what it says.
Street speed.
Does it?
It says street.
Street Mayhem? Wraps?
Tom.
Maybe the wrap company? It's pretty cool.
He's got a little carbon fiber on top.
Civic Type R. What do you think of this hood?
I like it.
You do?
It's carbon fiber.
Mm-hmm.
Really? They're good at it. Now, my buddy, they print wraps. That is his shop. Dream wraps, whatever.
So it's
Isn't it safe?
He took the badges off.
Oh.
He got the car wrapped, so.
I did a really shitty job with this. It was my first time rapping, so
What?
it turned out nice.
I love that this one has a bubble on top. He's ready
Oh,
for
yeah.
a vacation.
It's a Subaru.
We need to find out whose car this is and ask him where he's going.
It's just for looks, most likely. That's pretty cool.
It's a
What is it?
Subaru.
Impreza? Impreza?
Impreza. You could easily fit a couple of beach chairs in there.
Oh yeah, he's ready for the beach, isn't he?
Yeah.
Even though we live nowhere near a beach.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why he's got his bubble. He's got a package.
What do you think of this thing? This Subaru? Not that one. This one.
I can't say because you're recording.
Huh?
I can't say it because we're recording.
Because I'm recording, you can't say it?
Yeah.
Well, you don't like it?
No.
Oh, I like them. This is an old
No
WRX.
way. This is also an Impreza.
Yeah, it's an older one. It's sweet. The seats are nice.
Well, he won an award,
Yeah,
so it must be cool. I don't really know what I'm talking about, so.
that's fair. Little New Edge Mustang.
Ooh, look at this.
The Porsche. I think it might be a 911.
This is sweet.
Yeah, it's Porsche 911 Turbo.
Can we get one of these?
Yeah, it's $200,000.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Please
sure.
like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah. Oh, I really like this Porsche over here.
I like this orange one.
Well, there's other ones up there,
Did you
but
see the gas tank is in the front
Mhm.
instead of the back?
I do. You didn't know that? They're all like that.
No.
I really like this Porsche right here.
Me too. This is really cool. Oh, look at the seats. My favorite
Mhm.
vintage.
This thing is sweet.
Different location. One on Tyler. You gotta bring it there now.
I'll bring the triple H though.
Which one? Oh, wow. Is it because you read it?
So,
Okay. Well, it says it on the side too.
it says it.
It's the STO also.
And what's funny about that is the
So-
customer spec cars are getting delivered faster than the pre-config. Yeah. The whole point of the pre-config was to get the
I
cars fast.
don't know, but I mean, he looks pretty young. Look at that.
And with the pre-config, Lambo shitty electronic. So it
It's
starts
sweet.
with 606, all the pre-configs are over 700.
I want to ask him to open the door.
I got my own passive head. I got the sports seats.
That is his.
Car, full white leather interior. And then the
That's crazy. I don't know
2-inch wheels. I've got passenger display.
what he does to afford that. That's crazy.
This is a Viper.
It is, yeah. The V10
That's what I was going to say.
convertible. Not a fan. It's an older one.
It's not a convertible.
It is. It is. All right, what's this one without looking or reading it?
I don't know.
You don't know it?
It's white.
It's a McLaren 570S.
Very cool.
Interior's sweet.
I really like this one too. Ooh, look at the back.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Is that the engine?
Yep. I think this one also has turbos, but sometimes you can see, sometimes you can't. So. That Maserati.
Ooh, really?
Yeah.
Should I send a picture of it to Jen?
Yeah. The MC20 Maserati.
Was he?
My camera is so bad.
Why? Those seats are crazy
I
looking.
love that. I love it.
That is crazy. $600 LT. So you could say that McLaren is like the lower trim.
And this is like the higher.
This
trim.
one, well, this one's like the step above. I like
Ooh.
the exhaust, how it shoots out the
Yeah.
top like that.
So did he make it like that, or does it come
It comes like that. Yeah, it comes like that. And then the Corvette's over there. Let's go see the Vipers. Reminds me of Stuart Little.
I just like it because it's. I know the.
This thing is nice.
Is it a Cobra?
Hey, it was good meeting you.
Um,
Give me a call if you ever need anything.
Yeah, of course, yeah. Thank you.
Good meeting you. There's one of my cards there.
Perfect, thank you.
Have a good day.
Sweet.
Sweet. That's why we need T-shirts and stickers of
Yeah.
our show.
Is that
Yeah.
fat girl?
What?
That's what this says.
Excuse me?
That's what it says.
Is that a fat joke?
That's funny. That's cool. So he does garages.
Maybe he can come to our garage.
I'd say it's probably a good amount of money. So
Or we can ask.
he just got in.
That'd be so awkward. We're just
Yeah, we're walking
looking
around
if
it.
he's in there. There could be somebody in this that we wouldn't know.
I can feel my back sweating. We're taking a little break, eating a little grub. She got tacos, I got a little po' boy. There's a lot of cars that already left. It started at 11, now it is almost 1 o'clock, so about 2 hours, but a lot of people have left. I mean, there really wasn't a whole big turnout, which is okay. So how is it? You already took a bite.
Really good.
Really good?
I want to bite of
See.
that though.
I don't know how to eat this. Oh, there's tomatoes. Yep, pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty good. So we'll get done eating. We'll walk back around for whatever's car is left. But hopefully my favorite's still around, but I don't know if it is. Alright, we just got done eating. Now we're just gonna probably head home because a lot of cars actually have left. A lot. And it looks like my favorite is gone. It was the Porsche, actually. That was right down here. That orange one. I'll play it back again and show you. But that was my favorite. What about you?
That one was my favorite too.
The orange Porsche?
Yeah.
Yeah, if it wasn't a convertible, it'd be even better. But I liked how it was a Porsche 911. So we're gonna head out.